G'day guys, welcome back to RestoHub. In this episode, I'm continuing off where I left off last time, and that's stripping the underfloor pans on my XT Falcon back to bare metal. Stick around. Okay guys, here we are. So, we'll be starting on the front section of the car. Last week we did work on the mid section, and as you might see there is still the paint left on those areas. I did that on purpose. If you didn't watch last week, you wouldn't know why, but the reason is I didn't want any paint stripper to seep into those seams and be really challenging to neutralise the paint stripper in there. So I've left those for manual stripping, and I'll do the same today. So I will strip the front, and again, you know, anywhere there's a seam I'll tape over it, and we'll go over those areas later on. But yeah, front section first, and then move towards the back. Fuel tank and all the stuff in the boot needs to come out, so we'll see how far I get today. But yeah, front should definitely be done, and most of the back should hopefully be done today as well. But again, time limited, so we'll see how we go. Anyway, I'll pop you guys on a time lapse, and I'll let you guys see how I go. Alright guys, quick update here. First layer of paint strip has been put down, and it's starting to bite in nicely, as you can see. I'll let that go for another 10 or so minutes, and then probably go over it again in a few spots, and then start scraping it off, and then the neutralising with gun wash. It's a slow process. Stinks really bad. And I have taken my mask off, so I'll try to make this really quick because I'm starting to get a bit fumed out. But yeah, just thought I'd give you guys an update so you can see where it's at. Alright guys, front third of the car is now done, paint stripped. What's left is just surface rusted areas. As you can see, there's a big piece of it there. And of course the seams, which I'll do mechanically. Come out pretty good, very happy with it. There's obviously still a lot more to go with converting that surface rust back to good steel, but once that's done, it's going to look $1 million, ready for epoxy primer. We've now got the back third of the car to go. I'm going to try to get quite a bit of this done today, and the fuel tank does need to come out, so that's probably my limit. I'll stop just before that. Don't think I'll get that far though anyway, given the time, and it is pretty fumy in the garage at the moment, so I don't want to overdo it. But yeah, hope you guys back on a time lapse and let you enjoy the viewing. See you soon. Alright guys, welcome back. I've done a bit of the back, well what I can anyway. Still need to take the fuel tank out and empty the boot, and then I can do the back third, or let's call it a quarter of the car. But you know, that's where it's very challenging. So obviously got the wheel tubs back there and in some really tight access areas, so I think a lot of that's going to be with a grinder and wire wheel and whatever else I need to use. But pretty happy with the whole floor. As you can see, it's pretty good. So yeah, I think we'll leave it there for today. If you've got any questions or any thoughts, throw a comment below. Love to hear your feedback either way. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and you'll be updated every time I do post a new video. Otherwise, let's leave it there. Have a great week. See you next time.